Hello everyone, today we are going to make a game in Scratch. So for making it, open Firefox. Open Firefox, search here scratch.mit.edu. After searching it, this page will open. Click on create. After clicking on create, by default you will get a sprite opened. So delete it, then choose a sprite and look for bowl. Scroll down, you will find bowl. Click on the bowl and go to events and take this when click, then go to control, take this forever command, then if then go to sensing, take this key space press, take this and uh, choose and select right arrow. If key right arrow press, then go to motion, scroll down, change x by 10. This is done. Now if you will run the program, the when you will click after running the program, when you will click right arrow key, this ball will move right side. So for running this, we have to click here. So like I'm clicking here, then I'm pressing right arrow key, it is going right. But when I'm pressing left arrow key, it is nothing is happening. For that we have to also write a command, write program. So for that, go to control, take this if then and paste it here, if then inside forever, then go to sensing, key space pressed and change it into left arrow. Now go to motion and select this, scroll down and select change x by 10 and change 10 into -10. Now see, run the program. See, when you are clicking left arrow key, this ball is moving left, and when you are clicking on right arrow key, ball is moving right. So the work that we have to do with ball is completed. Now we have to open a new sprite of an apple. You can take ball also, but I'm taking apple only. So take, after taking apple, go to event, when click, then go to motion, go to random process, take this, then scroll down, set y to 180, 180. Then once more go to events, take this when click, then control forever, then go to motion, scroll down, change y by 10 and change 10 into -5, press enter. Now go to control, take this if then statement and go to operators, take this smaller than and paste it here and change this 50 into -170. And now go to motion, scroll down, take this y position and paste it here. Now scroll up and take this, go to random position and scroll down now and take this change y, sorry, take this set y to, set y to 180. So now it will fall. Now this -170 will help whenever the apple will touch -171, then it will go directly up and start falling once again. So this is also done. Now see, if the ball is here, it is not catching the apple. So for that we have to write a command. So for that we have to So for that we have to take this, go to when events, take when clicked, then go to control forever, then if then, and after taking if then go to sensing, take this touching mouse pointer, keep it here and change mouse pointer to bowl, and now you have to make your own variable to, so go to variable, make a variable, write here score, this will display your score. So see here score came. Now take this set my variable to 0 and keep it above the forever command, and change this my variable to score, and change my variable, take this now, change my variable and change it to score. After changing it into score, go to the sound and play sound charm, then go to motion and take this, go to random position and then scroll down and take this, set y to 180. Now your programming is completed. Now you can play this game like I'm running it, see it will catch it, and the sound will also be good. So to make it more attractive you can choose the backdrop also, the stage. So first choosing the stage, here you have to come choose the backdrop. I'm choosing this, uh, where is the boardwalk, and I'll place it here. See, now I'll run it. See, it is catching the apples, as you can see. Now to make it a bit hard, you can do this like go to control and take this if then and paste it here, when click forever inside the forever, and go to operators, take this greater than 50 and change it into 10, or you can change it into 20 like 20. Then go to go to variable, take the score and keep it here, and now go to motion, change y by 10 and change it to -6. This will increase the uh, speed of falling the apple. See, like when someone will reach points 20, then it will increase the speed. Like I'm reaching now, it is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now the speed will be increased. See, it's falling more faster. So that's the program. Thanks for watching my video. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.